If you're looking for a powerful new automation tool with AI baked in, n8nChat AI might be the most exciting release you haven't heard enough about yet. And in this video, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before using it, including one key insight that could save you hours of setup time. You can try n8nChat AI completely free from the first link below, no credit card required, and you'll want to see what this tool is capable of before it gets overhyped. Let's get into it. So what is n8nChat AI? It's the newest layer built on top of n8n, the popular open source automation platform. But now, with AI at the core, it lets you build smart workflows that talk back. We're not just connecting apps anymore. We're creating conversations, decision trees, and intelligent automations without writing a single line of code. First thing you need to know, n8nChat combines natural language prompts with visual workflows. That means you can describe what you want, like summarize my emails and send me a Slack message every morning, and it generates the logic for you. It bridges the gap between AI agents and real-world automation. That's a big deal for marketers, devs, and solopreneurs who want speed without sacrificing control. Second, it runs locally or in the cloud. This isn't like ChatGPT where you're locked into a black box. You have full visibility over how your data is used. Privacy-conscious users or businesses. You're going to love that flexibility. Third, the real game changer is context-aware AI steps. You can literally pass context between different AI agents in a workflow, so your automation isn't just reacting, it's reasoning, updating, refining. Imagine lead scoring that evolves with every customer email. That's what n8nChat makes possible. Fourth, integrations are already insane. It connects with Zapier-style apps, yes, but you can also integrate with OpenAI, Slack, Notion, CRMs, Google Sheets, even custom APIs. If you've worked with Make or Zapier, you'll feel right at home, but with a major AI upgrade. Fifth, let's talk UI. Unlike many early-stage AI tools, n8nChat has a mature, intuitive interface. You can test steps, debug flows, and trace outputs. This isn't a clunky GPT wrapper, it's built for real-world use. Number 6, you can train it on your own data using prompts, variables, and memory. So if you want custom support bots, onboarding assistants, or dynamic content generators that reflect your business tone, you can build them. And finally, number 7, this is what most people overlook. You can embed n8nChat agents into your site or apps. That means custom AI assistants that don't rely on third-party branding. Full white label, full control. So if you're serious about using AI to actually get things done, not just play around, n8nChat AI deserves your attention. And again, it's completely free to try from the first link below. Stick around after you test it out, because in the description, I've also included my hand-picked list of top AI tools you can try for free after testing literally thousands of AI platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.